it's Charlie and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing Life of a Squishy Scammer skit. A bunch, like almost every single squishy YouTuber does this. So I'm kind of late on the trend, but I thought I would jump on it while it was still a thing. So anyways, let's get into it. You know what, maybe I'll order some squishies today. Who should I order from? You know, I'm going to order from a Instagram seller. Let's see. Ooh, this one looks good. Let me give her a DM. Let's check my iPad. Oh, I got a DM. Let's see who it's from. Kawaii Girl Squishies. Huh. She wants to buy some squishies. Sure. DM me back already. Okay, I want, let's see. What squishies do I want? Let's see, I want the Eye Blue Peach, the Pop-Up Sheep, the Jumbo Panda Bun, ooh, the Chocolate Rainbow Cake, and a Poly Heart Macaron. Send. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what she wants. Let's see. She wants a Eye Blue Peach Jumbo. She wants a Pop-Pop Sheep, a Jumbo Panda Bun, a Chocolate Rainbow Cake, and a Poly Heart Macaron. I think I can get that. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the total is $100. You know what? I really want these squishies, so I'll pay it. Okay, let's see. Send her my mom's credit card number. Send. Whew, I'm so excited for these. Okay, I suppose I should send her squishies because, I mean, she is paying me $100 for this, so I'm really excited. Okay, so she wants an Eye Blue Peach. I mean, I do have an Eye Blue Peach and it's really squishy, but I really want to keep it. So I'm just going to give her this very, very defected fake Eye Blue Peach. Okay, she wanted a Pop-Up Sheep. I don't have a Pop-Up Sheep, so I'm just going to give her this very defected fake Pop-Up Sheep. Let's see, Jumbo Panda Bun. Ooh, I have a Jumbo Panda Bun, but I really, really like it, so I'm just going to give her a medium Panda Bun. You know what? She won't notice. I mean, that's pretty jumbo to you guys, right? Let's see, a Chocolate Rainbow Cake. I don't have that, but I will give her this rainbow cake. It's a common squishy. Sprinkles go everywhere. Hopefully they go everywhere in the box and go everywhere on her carpet. You know what? I mean, it looks the same. Like, she won't know. No biggie. Let's see. And last thing is a Poly Heart Macaron. Oh, I do have one of those. It's very squishy, but I really don't want to give it to her, so I'm just going to give her this bear macaron. She won't notice. Alright, let's go ship it. Yay, my squishies came. I'm going to go make a YouTube video. Camera set up. Okay, I think we're ready. Hey guys, it's Charlie, and I'm back with another video. I got a squishy package, and I am so excited. The box is priority mail, but it did take like 2 weeks to come. But I mean, that's okay. So, you know. Alright, let's get it out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yay, okay. Okay, so the first thing I pull out is my invoice. So, let's see. Okay, so I order in Eye Blue Peach, a Pop-Pop Sheep, let's see, what else do I order? A Jumbo Panda Bun, a Chocolate Rainbow Cake, and a Poly Heart Macaron. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see, I'm just going to pull out something random. Oh, okay, so the first thing I pull out is this Bear Macaron. I did order a Poly Macaron, a Poly Heart Macaron, but so actually, no, this is probably an extra. Yeah, we're going to say it's an extra, so yeah. Yeah, this is totally an extra. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay, so I got this medium Panda Bun, and I did order a Jumbo Panda Bun with a red bow, but they might have just got it mistaken, so I can definitely contact her about that. But yeah, there's that one. Let's see. Ooh, so I got this peach squishy. It's not the eye bloom peach. I did order a jumbo eye bloom peach, and this is not it. I'm starting to think this is a scam. I think this was supposed to be my jumbo panda bun, and this was supposed to be my Poly Heart macaron. I'm so disappointed. Like, I paid a lot of money for the squishies. These were all $100. Well, I suppose we should keep going. Let's see. I got this rainbow cake. I ordered the Chawa rainbow cake. This is not it. I mean, it smells pretty good, and it's, it's very squishy on the bright side. The last thing I pull out is this sheep squishy. I ordered the pop-pop sheep. This is not the pop-pop sheep. This is a replica, and it's got defects everywhere. This is just terrible. I said non-refundable on her Instagram description. Oh, I'm so disappointed. I really wanted these squishies. I really wanted those squishies that I ordered. Anyways, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments, let us know if you've ever been scammed before. I have not been scammed, and just remember, this was totally a skit. I would never, I don't sell squishies, but if I did, I would never ever do this to somebody. That is definitely cruel. I don't think it happens very often, but it's just a fun skit to film. So anyways, bye guys!